Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail party, easy method. Combine gin, vodka, and bourbon as base spirits, then add a balanced mixer. Use fresh lemon or lime juice and 1 part simple syrup to sweeten. Shake or stir with ice for 20 seconds, then strain. Garnish with a citrus twist or herb sprig for aroma. Taste and adjust sweetness or strength before serving to guests. Plan a compact menu with 3 crowd pleasers that cover different textures and temperatures. Pick 1 stirred spirit-forward drink, 1 shaken citrus option, and 1 blended or frozen crowd favorite. Prepare and label ingredients ahead of time to streamline the bar station. Pre-batch mixes for volume and quick pouring. Arrange glassware and garnishes within easy reach so you can serve guests smoothly and stay relaxed throughout the party. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy hosting tips. Quick recommendation: I love this book on money mindset. It pairs oddly well with hosting because it helps you spend smarter, not more. The product you see here is a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Good prep makes a relaxed hosting experience, so organize everything before guests arrive. Pre-batch large format cocktails and keep them chilled in the fridge or on ice. Label each batch clearly and set out measuring tools, ice buckets, and cocktail napkins. Position the bar away from the main crowd flow to ease traffic. Having a simple timeline for refills and garnish restocks will keep the party moving without stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.